Hi guys, this is Eric from Easy Car Detailing, and last couple of days we're working on this beautiful classic Carrera S993. And then what we did for this vehicle, particularly for this vehicle, protection detail. We did completely decontamination, two-stage polishing, and we did interior as long exterior. We did stone chips, we did arches as a smart repair. So we try to bring it back how much we can, and as you see before and after, obviously through the process you would see it in the video. So now we inspect the vehicle. We got 1.6 looms of the lacquer. It's very thin, it's lychee, very fragile, the paint. So what we're gonna do, we're going to buffer with a soft but still cutting pads. So now guys, I'm going to show you how it's actually done through the process. So there's some places we couldn't go with the machines, so literally what we doing here, we apply compounder on the little pad, and what we're going to do it by hand.
Long before a Porsche was called a Porsche, we believed any car that merely got you from here to there just didn't go far enough. Set new expectations of what a car ought to be. All of which Professor Porsche considers a good beginning.